Okay, welcome to the dashboard on your site. We're already in products, and we're gonna adjust the product price on Golden Kiss. So we're gonna go ahead and find that, and we're doing the rings. That's the wrong price on that. So hop in here and edit. Um, Very right to point out that it's a variable product. Um, so I'm going to show you this in a different example, but so here's where we have our attributes, and then we need to do attributes first, and then we can make variations from the attributes. This we should probably have like a default in there on all products really, but where the price is hiding out is under here, under add variation. Actually, now that we've made any edit, we need to go ahead and save changes. Um, and then under add variation, set regular prices is down here. I was mentioning that I did some wholesale price stuff for Amy, and there's a separate plugin for that. But when you do that, if you do get into wholesale at some point, that'd be awesome. But I think like down here somewhere, there's a separate section that says wholesale. But anyways, we're just gonna go and jump in and set regular prices, and then hit go and enter our value, which is 98. Go ahead and do the decimal points and okay that. And then we're going to update that. And then this is a caching plugin. And basically what that does is after you make edits, what's saved at the server is potentially an older version. So what we need to do is say, hey, we're going to clear the cache because we have new content coming to the server. So just delete the cache. It's not going to like take anything away from the site or whatever. It's just refreshing the version that's stored at the server. Okay, but now I want to show you something else too. So I'm going to all products, and this is a perfect example. We did this on a couple of Amy's things because she has a dress that has a longer hemline than the regular hemlines. It's an extra, like, whatever it was, $8. These variations are from the custom name thing, but I want to find something with this, I think, might get us there. So flow with gemstones. And down here under variations, perfect. Yeah, so these, just the arrow, sorry. So that's going to open up this other tab that we have now. And we've got set regular price. So these have already been set, and all of the variations are using $64. But just say, for example, I don't know, citrine, all of a sudden, if you need to charge more for that, you can go in here and change that. So you could change that to like 68 or whatever you need to do. So that's where the prices are hiding out on variable products. So either change them all or set them with this, and then you can go in and edit each individual one of those depending on what kind of variation they have, and that will show up on the front end. So those were the two couple of things I wanted to show you there about pricing. Whatever, if you need anything else, hit me up. I'm glad to help out. All right, hope you're well. See ya.